Hey, it's me, Jonas, and today I'll show you how to quickly remove the plastic liner from a Ford Ranger, or probably all kind of plastic liners for trucks. So I've just finished shoveling all my mulch out, and all you gotta do is pull it up from the middle like this. And then you can start removing the sides. And then the back on one side, and then it's going to come out. Way easier to get everything out that way. And now, when you're putting it back in, make sure you get the back on one side. Make sure that side slots in. And then just like before, you want to pull up the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but pull up the inside and get that back under. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. See ya.